So we're going to unbox today what I bought in the Shopee. So here is the one. Ta-da! So this goes. The first is this one, desktop holder, and this one is selfie stick, 100 cm. Okay, and this is calculator, same time ruler, and this one is a pen, and this pen can put the alcohol inside. Here can put alcohol, and then this is the spray. See, spray can put alcohol here, and then at the same time can be a pen. Okay. And this one also calculator. So let's see. Ta-da! So, on, okay, off. So nice and so cute. Still here. This one, tripod. This tripod. So this one, see, open. See, for blog, and this one is for the, because this one is have the, see, have remote control here, and this one, see, this is there have a light here, see. So this is for the charger. So this is blah, something like this. So become stand. This one like this. See, if you want to take vlog, you can use this. See, this is the handle. So you can move up, something like this. Push. Okay. See. So here we go. Because actually I love vlogging, so most of the time I can use, so I just use this, make it easier for me. So here goes. See, ta-da! And also this one, this is the charger of this one, yeah. And this one for the, like something desktop phone holder. So one, the color is blue, yeah. So something like this. And then so this is a handle like this, a little bit similar. So we can put the cell phone here, move, so you can move down, move, okay, see, so something like that. Okay, so very nice, yeah. So for the meantime, this is what I bought. This is goes, yeah, this is the one I bought in the Shopee. Okay, this one, the calculator, and the ball pen. ball pen. So for the next vlog, thank you guys.